Hello everybody and welcome back. Today I want to show you how I make some delicious bacon cheeseburger sliders. If you want to learn how to make this, stay tuned and I will show you how. Okay, so to start off with, I'm going to be cooking my bacon, and what I did was I cut it into little strips. And now I'm just going to cook this bacon until it's crispy. And over here in my pan, I added a little bit of bacon grease from our bacon. And I'm going to add some diced onion. I'm going to cook this for about 3 minutes. And now that the onion is translucent and has released that wonderful fragrance, now it's time to throw in my ground beef. I'm going to cook the ground beef until it browns. Now for these sliders, I don't break up the hamburger meat too much. I like to leave it more like this. So I don't break it up all the way. Once the meat was brown, I did remove some of that fat, not all of it, just some of it. And now I'm going to be adding in some Worcestershire sauce. No, I'm just kidding. It's Worcestershire sauce. I don't know how you say that, but that's why I say Worcestershire sauce. It's easier for me. Anyways, I'm going to add some of that. And I'm going to add some seasonings. This is Famous Dave's steak and burger. And just some salt and pepper. You can add whatever seasonings that you like. And I'm just going to mix this. Okay. I'm going to be using these brioche burger buns that I made. And if you want the recipe to that, just go through my videos and it should be in there. Now in that recipe, it is a regular burger bun. So you're going to want to make them smaller to make them into sliders. That recipe that I have is for 6 burger buns. So what you're going to do is divide it and do 12. So you will get 12 little sliders with that recipe. So what I did first was just lay down the bottom of the bun, and then I'm going to add some cheese. Now that I have the cheese on there, I'm going to add the ground beef. And I'm just going to spread it around, making sure we get meat on everything. And what is a burger without mustard and ketchup? So what I'm going to do is just put it on top. And I'm going to add the bacon. And guess what? More cheese. And now I'm just going to put the tops on. And now these are going to go into the oven at 350 degrees for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, these are done. And now I'm just going to brush them with some melted butter, some basil, and some garlic salt. And we are ready to serve these. And I made a burger sauce to dip these sliders in, which consists of mayonnaise, mustard, ketchup, relish, some minced garlic, and some garlic powder. I didn't measure it, so just measure with your heart. And this is ready for dipping. And that is the recipe for my bacon cheeseburger sliders. They are really delicious. I hope that you do make them. And if you do, please let me know and let me know how you like them. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please do so. And don't forget to click that notification bell to get notified every time I upload a new video. Share my video and don't forget to leave a nice comment below. Thank you for joining me today. We will see you next time. Bye.